Damn. Alright, this is easily one of the hardest Supras that I've seen on this channel. I love like the setup, the tire setup is amazing. I don't think it's gonna be no C7. Come on, Z06, fully bolt-on E50 and meth. Come on. Yeah, I'm sorry. I can't pick the Supra, and let's just see the C7 whoop on the Supra. And here we go.
Alright, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So I want to welcome back the 2020 Toyota Supra that many of you guys have been following the channel know pretty well. Now previously he was, you know, for a while he's been on the stock turbo with a fully built motor and built transmission, trying to break the stock turbo record, and until a few weeks ago he just finally did. So now he's on an upgraded pure 800 hybrid turbo. He's on a base map E85 tune. I don't know how much he's making. He's probably making at least $650 to the wheels, but you can give or take some, plus or minus some. Now, of course, he's also got some good weight reduction, some really nice carbon fiber seats.
Yeah.
And he's running on some Mickey Thompson ET Street R tires. Now, I know this car weighs very, very low 3,000s.
Man, Mickey Thompson just looks so good. Like, damn, they make a car really look big.
3,000 pounds. I think it's, what, 3,100 pounds? Yeah, 3,100 pounds. So, he's been running up against a 2017 C7 Z06.
Hey, I like when they be doing that setup where it's, you know, one tire is, one rim is different than the other wheel. And that's hard. Like, just looking at it, it's hard. I keep it like, I like this. I like that.
The last time you guys saw this car on the channel, I raced up against a bolt-on E85 2021 GT500.
Oh, that was a good race. Yeah, that was a great race.
With these nice
Carbon
wheels.
fiber.
Now, just a little recap of what's done to this car. This car is pretty much a full bolt-on car.
Damn,
He's got upper and lower pulley, intake, throttle body, long tube headers.
Man, did that? It was overheating almost, or just he just wanted to cool it down. I mean, I never seen somebody do that, but that's smart. Wow. Here comes the dog. Oh.
X-pipe with an E50 tune and meth injection. Now, he did not get dyno tune, so we're assuming he's probably anywhere from 700 to 750 wheel horsepower is our best guess. Now, these cars weigh a little over 3,500 pounds, and this one's equipped with the 8-speed automatic transmission with the TCU tune. And he's riding on Nitto NT 555 R2 tires. So it should be an interesting race. So
I like the Mickeys a lot, but also I like the Nittos a lot too. Especially how he has a thicker, wider tire with Nittos in the back. They look nice. I like that. Man, that's hard.
both cars be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so I'm here in the Supra. It's from 50 miles an hour.
The C7, I got him. Here we go. Oh, damn. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, I'm completely wrong. I'm completely wrong. What? That Corvette just screams, I swear. One of the best sounding engines ever. Oh my god. Damn, no. Wow. And they only got one in? Man. Oh my god. That Supra is, I'm completely wrong. That made me just a slap in my face. Wow. I mean, come on. Like, I know it's way lighter, but damn, them pure 800 turbos really makes a difference. Now, because this now makes me like really like, I always like Supras, but like, this shows a lot. Damn, okay.